Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. And like I said in the video before this one, I am pre-recording. So, and I also moved this so that I can know when I go back, when I'm looking through my videos, that the angle with this behind me is different than the one that I just did. So, move a couple of things out of the way over here. And I cleaned off my swatches. So what do we have today? Some Juvia's Place. I love to go on TikTok live streams. You can get some really good bargains. Some of their sales representatives just so happen to go live. They're really fun. Their energy is really good. I love that. Because when you have really good energy like that, it makes for a live stream just to be fun. You know, my usual. Keep those handy. So we came home from the grocery store and there were a lot of packages out there. Some of them were mine, some of them were my son's. And I believe I know what this is. That's my invoice. You don't need that. Yes. I have been wanting to try a few things that I haven't tried yet from Juvia's Place. Gonna show you something that I got extra of. Okay, that's all that was in that one. Let me put some of my other stuff back over here so that my eyeshadows won't fall over. Oh, they will anyway. Until I'm done opening up all my packages. So, you know, I got this Juvia's Place palette, the coffee shop palette. I bought an extra one. I wonder why. Right? Now, you know I'm never going to say it. But gee, I wonder why. I don't know what that noise was. It was probably the dog. I'll put some of the stuff away while I'm talking to you. Okay. So, and also if you know, where is it at? Sitting over here next to Jeffree Star. Yes. Okay, so you know I got this. And then I got this. They're not the same, but I got that one because I could. And, oh, that's nice. My son just showed me something he got me. But give me a minute. I'll show you real quick what my son got me. Thank you.
Well, the bottom mats and it'll come up.
Okay. So he got me this to organize my makeup. That's nice. Because he knows I need it. So, I also got this lip kit because I like it. Am I keeping this for me though? I'm not sure. Anyway, so that is what I got in this box. Was there anything else in there? No, that's what I got in that box. So, I did get these for a reason. Tell me 900 reasons why I would get this and put it aside with some other stuff that I have. So, again, this palette, it's beautiful, so I'll just show you mine. It's always good to have the one that you have for yourself. Even though, what am I wearing? Am I wearing anything Juvia's Place today? I'm trying to think if I am. I think I'm wearing like something, but not from the palette. Oh yeah, the lip not the lip oil, but the other stuff that goes on like a lip balm. I have that. Don't mind the dog. Anyway, so this is a beautiful palette. I did get an extra. There's 900 reasons why, but I'm not that yet. I think Juvia's Place, like other cosmetics companies that are my favorites, have beautiful, beautiful makeup. And with that said, don't forget there's this. There's this. Oh, I was tempted to keep this for myself. And then there's this. Yeah, there is. Anyway, remember, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. You know, there are so many sales out there and everything. Get yourself some beautiful stuff. I mean, like, some of the stuff is $3. Some of the stuff is $4.50. And that's on TikTok. That's in their live stream. Think about that. Don't miss out on live streams. You can always hit up a really good bargain. Bargains. $10. Sometimes Curse Cosmetics has stuff for $10 that are eyeshadow. That was for $10, but normally that's like 20 something dollars, and I got it for 10. So remember, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Shop the best, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.